Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new video. I was in the Discord call with Reese and Isaac, which are the YouTuber friends that I have. The YouTube call is really boring. It was like 1 hour of painful torture. I literally logged off and they were talking about the same thing I logged off for 10 minutes and they were talking about the same thing. They haven't gotten past that at all. So I'm just playing Minecraft, a new world. This may be a new series. Maybe. Oh. Milk the cow, you do. Milk the cow. Milk the cow, you can. This is boring. I think I may just be swimming for the next hour of this Minecraft video. Alright. Video. There we go. What do I have in my hands? Oh, it's just that. This is boring. Oh my god. I think I may just do this now. Just need that sand. Put it right there and then... Come on. Oh yes, I have a flower in my hand. It's beautiful. Oh my god, a monster. Help, the anxiety, the pain. It's horrifying. Let's just find some good land. Maybe we can. Yeah. Ooh, perfect. Did that cow drop any leather? No. Oh, this is perfect. I may just call this a nature show. Yeah, this is gonna be the nature show. It's gonna be the nature show. We just be kind to animals and try to survive. Let's just place this down here. I'm now a vegetarian in this world. Don't mind the meat in my hand. I totally didn't kill an animal. Goodbye. How do I already have XP? Was that from that cow? Hello. Oink. Alright. That wasn't a fresh start. Oink. 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 That's it. You're drowning. You're drowning. You're drowning. Goodbye. See you. Goodbye. 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 I said drowned. It's so much effort being on a nature show. They don't give any respect for you. I don't want to hurt you. All I want to do is pet you. You little poor thing. Oh, what a beautiful sight. Although I do need some armor. I'll be honest. We're gonna kill that cow. Oops, I'm sorry. What the? Is this the first time I've actually killed a cow? I don't think I've ever killed a cow before, other than this world, because when I killed a cow, I killed it really quickly. But this time, this is the first time I've seen a cow run. This is the first time I've seen a cow run. And I'll be honest, it's kind of sad. I wonder if they're still talking. This is the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. This is going to be the nature show. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you... I'm probably not going to get a bed since I want to make this like a nature show. I don't want to kill any other animals. So I'm probably going to go to creative and like place a bed. Because this is probably going to be... I don't want to kill any animals on this other than this episode.